Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of tomato processing, a business that makes millionaires in Africa. I will teach you how. Join me as we explore the intricate process of turning fresh tomatoes into a variety of valuable products and discover the strategies for packaging and marketing that can drive success in Africa's tomato industry. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Invest in Africa, the channel dedicated to unlocking the continent's potential for prosperity and growth. Tomatoes are not only a staple ingredient in African cuisine, but also a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs and investors. From tomato paste to ketchup and salsa to canned tomatoes, the possibilities for value-added products are endless. Today, we'll delve into the process of transforming fresh tomatoes into high-demand products and explore the strategies for maximizing profitability in the market. The journey begins with sourcing fresh, high-quality tomatoes, the foundation of any successful tomato processing operation. In Africa, where agriculture thrives, access to abundant and affordable tomatoes is often readily available. However, establishing reliable supply chains and partnering with local farmers are essential steps to ensure consistent access to quality produce. Once the tomatoes are sourced, they undergo a rigorous sorting and cleaning process to remove any impurities or blemishes. This step is critical for maintaining food safety standards and ensuring the quality of the final products. Investing in modern sorting and cleaning equipment can streamline this process and enhance efficiency. Now, let's explore one of the most popular tomato products, tomato paste. The process begins with crushing and pulping the cleaned tomatoes, followed by heating to remove excess water and concentrate the flavors. The resulting paste is then carefully packaged into airtight containers, ready to be distributed to consumers. In addition to tomato paste, there's a world of possibilities for diversifying your product portfolio. From tomato sauce and puree to salsa, ketchup, and canned tomatoes, each product offers unique opportunities for market differentiation and profitability. Consider exploring different product lines to cater to diverse consumer preferences. Packaging plays a crucial role in preserving the quality and extending the shelf life of tomato products. Invest in modern packaging machinery and materials that offer protection from light, air, and moisture. Flexible pouches, cans, and glass jars are popular options for packaging tomato products, providing convenience and portability for consumers. With your tomato products ready for market, it's time to develop effective marketing strategies that will drive sales and maximize profitability. In Africa's competitive marketplace, differentiation and brand positioning are key. Highlight the quality, freshness, and authenticity of your products to resonate with consumers. Identifying your target audience is essential for crafting targeted marketing campaigns. Whether it's households seeking convenient meal solutions, restaurants and food service establishments, or manufacturers of processed foods, tailor your marketing efforts to address the specific needs and preferences of your target market. Building brand awareness is critical for establishing trust and loyalty among consumers. Leverage digital marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to raise awareness of your brand and products. Share engaging content, customer testimonials, and behind-the-scenes glimpses to connect with your audience on a personal level. Establishing robust distribution channels is essential for reaching consumers across Africa's diverse markets. Partner with wholesalers, retailers, and distributors who have a strong presence in your target regions. Additionally, explore direct-to-consumer channels such as online marketplaces and e-commerce platforms to expand your reach. Developing a pricing strategy that balances profitability with affordability is crucial in Africa's competitive market landscape. Consider factors such as production costs, market demand, and competitor pricing when setting your prices. Offer value-added features or bundle deals to incentivize purchases and increase perceived value. Promotional campaigns can help generate excitement and drive sales of your tomato products. Launch targeted promotions, discounts, or sampling programs to encourage trial and repeat purchases. Leverage seasonal events, holidays, and cultural celebrations to create themed promotions that resonate with your target audience. Once your tomato products are on the market, it's essential to monitor their performance and gather feedback from customers. Utilize sales analytics tools to track sales trends, monitor inventory levels, and identify opportunities for optimization. Encourage customers to provide feedback through surveys, reviews, or social media interactions. Understanding and catering to local preferences is essential for success in Africa's diverse markets. Consider adapting your products to suit regional taste preferences, culinary traditions, and dietary habits. Engage with local communities, gather insights, and customize your offerings to meet the needs of your target audience. Embracing sustainable practices is not only good for the environment, but also for your brand's reputation and long-term viability. Implement eco-friendly manufacturing processes, minimize waste, and source ingredients ethically to resonate with environmentally conscious consumers. Communicate your commitment to sustainability transparently to build trust and loyalty. Maintaining stringent quality control measures is paramount for ensuring the safety and integrity of your tomato products. Invest in quality assurance systems, conduct regular inspections, and adhere to regulatory standards to uphold product quality and compliance. Prioritize consumer safety and satisfaction above all else. As a responsible corporate citizen, consider giving back to the communities where you operate. Support local farmers, invest in agricultural development programs, and create employment opportunities for the local workforce. By contributing to the socio-economic development of the region, you'll not only earn goodwill but also foster long-term partnerships and growth. Collaborating with industry stakeholders and strategic partners can unlock new opportunities and drive mutual success. Partner with suppliers, distributors, and retailers who share your values and vision for growth. Explore collaborations with government agencies, NGOs, and academic institutions to drive innovation and address shared challenges. While the tomato processing industry in Africa holds immense potential, it's not without its challenges. From infrastructure constraints and supply chain disruptions to market volatility and regulatory hurdles, entrepreneurs must navigate various obstacles on their path to success. Adopt a resilient mindset, seek innovative solutions, and persevere in the face of adversity. As you embark on your journey in the tomato processing industry, don't forget to celebrate your achievements along the way. Whether it's reaching production milestones, securing new partnerships, or positively impacting local communities, take time to acknowledge and celebrate your successes. Share your victories with your team, stakeholders, and customers, and use them as fuel to drive further growth and innovation. Host. To stay informed about the latest developments in the tomato processing industry and other investment opportunities in Africa, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We'll keep you updated with valuable insights, expert interviews, and success stories from across the continent. Engage with our community by leaving comments, sharing your experiences, and connecting with like-minded individuals who share your passion for African entrepreneurship and economic development. Join our network of investors, entrepreneurs, and industry professionals who are committed to driving positive change and creating sustainable prosperity in Africa. Connect with us on social media, attend our events and workshops, and explore partnership opportunities to collaborate on impactful projects. Together, we can make a difference and unlock Africa's full potential. At Invest in Africa, we believe in the power of education and mentorship to empower tomorrow's leaders. If you're a budding entrepreneur or aspiring investor looking to gain knowledge, skills, and guidance to succeed in Africa, contact me on WhatsApp. Check my number in the description of this video. As we conclude our exploration of tomato processing in Africa, I want to thank you for joining us on this insightful journey. From the fields where tomatoes are grown to the kitchens where they're transformed into delicious products, the tomato industry offers abundant opportunities for investment, innovation, and impact. If you're inspired to join this thriving sector and contribute to Africa's economic growth, I encourage you to take action today. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, investor, or industry stakeholder, there's a role for you to play in shaping the future of tomato processing in Africa. Together, let's harness the power of tomatoes to create a brighter, more prosperous future for the continent and its people. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and keep investing in Africa's bright future. Goodbye for now.